Hello students, look here this pattern 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Here 9 is the greatest single digit number and 10 is the smallest two digit number. So greatest single digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest two digit number. Next, greatest two digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest three digit number. Greatest three digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest four digit number, that is 1000. Next, greatest four digit number, here 9999 is the greatest four digit number, plus 1 is equal to smallest five digit number, that is 10,000. 10,000 is the smallest five digit number. Then greatest five digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest six digit number, that is 1 lakh. Greatest six digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest seven digit number, that is 10 lakh. And greatest seven digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest 8 digit number, that is 1 crore. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So greatest seven digit number plus 1 is equal to smallest 8 digit number. So this is the pattern. Now we will write expanded form of any number. For example, 54,278. Here we say that here 8 is at ones place, 7 is at tens place, 2 is at hundreds place, 4 is at thousands place, and 5 is at 10,000s place. So the number in expanded form is 5 multiplied by 10,000, because 5 is at 10,000s place, plus 4 multiplied by 1000, plus 2 multiplied by 100, plus 7 multiplied by 10, plus 8 multiplied by 1. So this is the expanded form of this number. Next example, 5,46,872. Here once again 2 is at ones place, 7 is at tens place, 8 is at hundreds place, 6 is at thousands place, 4 is at 10,000s place, and 5 is at lakhs place. So here 5 multiplied by 1 lakh, plus 4 multiplied by 10,000, plus 6 multiplied by 1000, plus 8 multiplied by 100, plus 7 multiplied by 10, plus 2 multiplied by 1. So you can write any number in expanded form by this method. This is the most important portion. Sometime you have asked fill in the blanks. So suppose 100 is equal to blank tens. So here no need to remember the answer. I am showing you one simple method. Here is written 100. So first write 100. And here is just tens. So write only 10. Here is 20 and here only 1. Cut this 0, 1, 1. So your answer is 100 is equal to 10 tens. Next example, 1000 is equal to blank hundreds. So what will you do here? The same process. First write 1000 and here 100. So write 100. Here is 30, here is 20. So your answer is 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds. Suppose you have asked 1000 is equal to blank tens. Here 1000 is same, but here is hundreds and here is tens. So do the same. 1000 and here is tens. So write tens. So write 10. Here is 30, here is 10. So cut 10. So your answer is 1000 is equal to 100 tens. Isn't it easy? Yes, it is very easy method. So you can do this method and give the answer of the blanks. One more, 1 crore is equal to blank lakh. First write here 1 crore, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Here 1 lakh, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 70 and here is 50. So cut this 50. So your answer is 1 crore is equal to 100 lakhs. Right? Okay. So you can do this method and give the answer of the fill in the blanks. Now next, writing and reading of larger number. Suppose this is one of the number. You want to read this number. So what should you do? First, make the table and put them in the table. Here you know ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Right? Now you know 4 is at ones place. So write 4, 9 is at tens place, 8 at 100 place, 0 thousands place, 5 10,000s place, 3 lakhs place, 0 10 lakh and 4 crore. Now read this So 4,3,50,894. Okay, this is the placement box. So you can write this type of number in placement box. Now if you want to read this number, there is a use commas. You must have noticed that in writing large numbers in the section, we have often used commas. Commas helps in reading and writing larger numbers. In our Indian system, we use ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, this. The first comma, write the same number here. This is the number. The first comma comes after hundreds place, that is ones, tens, 100 here. So the first comma comes after hundreds place. The second comma comes 2 digit later, that is at thousands, 10,000s. The third comma comes after another 2 digits. So it comes after 10 lakh place here. Once again, the first comma comes after hundreds place, ones, tens, 100. The second comma comes 2 digits later, and the third comma comes another 2 digits later. Right? Now in international system, and here we read the number 4,3,50,894. In the international system of numeration, as it is being used, we have ones, tens, 100, 1000. Here in international system, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then 100,000, and then million, 10 million, and then 100 million. Commas are used to mark thousands and millions. It comes after every 3. Suppose we take the same example here. Take the same example here and put the commas according to international system. Here we put the first comma marks thousands, that is at the after 3 digits. The first comma marks thousands and the next comma marks million. The first comma marks 1000 and the next comma marks million. For example, here first comma here and the second comma here. What is the difference between Indian and international system for commas? Here in Indian system, we put commas first after hundreds place and then after every 2 digit. And in international system, commas are put after every 3 digit. Every 3 digits from the right. And now we will read this number. Here ones, tens, suppose here 4 ones, 9, 8, then 0, thousands place, 5, 10,000, 3, 100,000, then 0, million, 4, here 10 million. So read this now. 40,350,000, because here is 100,000 also. So 40,350,894. Right? Take another example. Here is one more number. Now, according to international system of numeration, first put commas, first comma after 3 digit from right and second comma also after 3 digits from the right. Now read this. So 50,801,592. Right? Okay.